YouTube, welcome back, guys. So today I'm gonna unbox this. This is the original 100% authentic from KITH treats. Last time I did unboxing, sorry about that because somehow I got confused with the red box logo with this black with the white box logo. And I shoot email or message to the seller, and the seller's like, "What? I just sent out the item, so my bad." I guess too many of this unboxing jacked up my brain because I bought so many pieces. So let's go ahead and unbox this, shall we? So I think it comes with something because or else the seller would not ship it like this. Let's see. Normally we ship in like a bag. Wow, it's in a box. Oh my god, hopefully I didn't cut the box. Jeez. Okay, let's get it out there. Gosh. I better cut it out, else I'm gonna damage the original box. Heck. Oh wow! Look at that! What a nice box. It's kind of messed up on the side right here. Wow. So I'm not sure the glue is coming apart or what the heck. Maybe it's due to the hot weather. So this is the original box that comes with the shirt, I guess. It says facts. Before building his footwear and apparel empire, fashion and retail forces Ronnie Fick's first foray into entrepreneurship was with something far more palatable because his parents didn't allow him to eat sugary cereals at home. He would sell the school lunch they would pack for him each morning and use the money to buy himself his favorite cereals, turning his profit into a daily indulgence. Since then, he dreamed of opening New York's first dedicated cereal bar. He held on to it, developed it, and refined the concept for 20 years. And in 2015, KITH Treats was born. The childhood obsession evolved into an extension of Fick's progressive retail establishment, KITH, with KITH Treats bars, located with all flagship locations. At KITH Treats, customers are invited to customize their own cereal creations, embodying each store's environment of creativity in confession form. Enter to win free KITH Treats prize. See back of the box for detail. So it didn't show. This is the original barcode that come with it. Size large, black color. So I guess it has a white color. I got the one with black, and then there is one with the yellow color. Instead of nutrition fact, you got the size specs on the side of the panel here. Pretty interesting. And then on the front it says KITH Treats, 210 gram, and then 100% cottons. So it has a Manhattan, Brooklyn, Miami, Tokyo, Manhasset, and then Los Angeles. All right, enough of the box. Let's go ahead and then get this open. This says lift tab to open KITH Treats, and it has a double-sided tape. Ooh, there's a hair right there or something. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, there's not any other hair. Oh, there's a sticker right here. So as you can see, original price is $55. And I won the auction $53.70 something plus or whatever shipping. It comes out to be less than $70, and I was pretty happy with this because actually it is below retail price. I'm pretty sure the seller bought this $55 plus $10 shipping fee plus tax. Unless he bought this at the store and he need to pay the tax, but he would end up losing money anyway because the shipping fee, eBay fee, PayPal fee. And this is the original hang tag that come with it. And this is the size large. And then on the front is a KITH box logo with the treats. And you always get this tag right here, the tiny one. It says made in China. And then this is the original one, okay? come with this silica gel and then a tissue paper on the back. And again, you got this label, size label. This is not a size label, this is just the tag that comes with it. So you know these are the legit and for the authenticity. Hashtag KH mean KITH 3384. And then you got the KITH treats, 100% cotton, machine wash, so yeah, it only come with one of this tag and then a small one. Oh, 2 tag, my bad. It's got clumped together. I can open this up. Should have in different languages. Then this one is in Japanese. I like the KITH t-shirt. This is a pretty good material. It is thicker compared to Supreme or the Palace skateboards. Or maybe it's kind of like a Palace skateboard. Sometimes the Palace skateboards is come pretty thick. Alright guys, so hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like this video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button and then turn the bell for notification and drop in the comments down below. Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.